Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to check out some Amazon gadget that literally everyone is buying from, gadgets that are really handy for home and daily life tasks. These are Amazon's most viral smart Amazon gadget. You must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. The FEPPO mattress vacuum cleaner is a specialized handheld device designed to deeply clean mattresses, sofas, cribs, and other upholstered furniture. It combines multiple advanced technologies to ensure a hygienic and comfortable living environment. The device features a 253.7 nanometers UVC light that, when the vacuum is in contact with a surface, activates to eliminate 99.9% of unseen substances, including dust mites and bacteria. It includes automatic UVC light deactivation when lifted or tilted to prevent UV leakage, and protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and short-circuiting. The small portable pocket tripod is an essential accessory for smartphone users who enjoy capturing stable photos and videos on the go. These compact tripods are designed to be lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry, making them ideal for travel, vlogging, selfies, and video calls. Its features like bendable legs or adjustable ball heads allow for versatile positioning, enabling users to set up their smartphone at various angles for optimal shots. Some models include a Bluetooth remote shutter, allowing users to take photos or start videos from a distance, which is especially useful for group shots or solo recording. Many pocket tripods are designed to be ultra-portable, folding down to the size of a credit card or small stick, making them easy to slip into a pocket or bag. The smartwatches for men compatible with both Android and iPhone devices have evolved into versatile gadgets that seamlessly blend functionality, fitness tracking, and style. Whether you're an athlete, a tech enthusiast, or someone seeking convenience on your wrist, there's a smartwatch tailored for your needs. Depending on usage, look for watches offering anywhere from 1 to 14 days of battery life. It features like heart rate monitoring, SPO sensors, ECG, and sleep tracking are essential for health-conscious users. AMOLED or OLED screens provide vibrant visuals and are easier to read under direct sunlight. The XHSY Astronaut projector is a captivating and whimsical device that transforms any room into a mesmerizing galaxy. Designed to resemble an astronaut, this projector creates a stunning celestial display on your ceiling or walls, making it an ideal addition to children's bedrooms, home offices, or as a unique gift for space enthusiasts. This projector offers a realistic galaxy projection with adjustable angles and comes with a remote control for convenience. It's highly rated by users, making it a reliable choice for creating a cosmic ambiance in any room. The LED fairy lights battery-operated string lights are enchanting lighting solutions that add a magical touch to any space. These lights are perfect for creating a cozy ambiance in bedrooms, living rooms, gardens, or during special occasions like weddings and holidays. Eliminates the need for wall outlets, allowing placement anywhere, easily moldable to fit various shapes and decorations. Low power consumption ensures prolonged battery life. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, it includes steady on, twinkle, and fade options for versatile lighting effects. The Glocusent book light is a versatile and user-friendly reading accessory designed to enhance your reading experience. Whether you're reading in bed, working on crafts, or traveling, this light offers customizable illumination to suit various needs. The amber mode filters out 99.9% of reading preferences and reducing eye strain and promoting better customizable lighting, especially beneficial for nighttime reading. Portable design make it a valuable companion for any reader.